So yeah, I've got hands on the juice. Got my faluda over here. Let me just have a taste. So at last we have got our food over here, as you can see. Problem with million and life. So yeah guys, currently I'm at Pulton Bazaar. हमने हमारा स्कूटी को यहाँ पर पार्क कर लिया है. And here's the bazaar. I'm just gonna show you over there. So आज का जो प्लान है, the plan is to explore the street food, go to Pulton Bazaar and Fancy Market. That is the biggest market for supplying anything. Like you'll get anything in Fancy Market and Pulton Bazaar. So we're gonna go there, explore, but most importantly street food. But उसके पहले हमें पैसे निकालने पड़ेंगे. And the money comes from that ATM. So we gotta go to the ATM and take out some money. So let's go. So we have got the money and we are gonna explore with this money. So let's go to Pulton Bazaar and Fancy Market and explore some amazing stuff. So yeah guys, here's our first stop and we just stopped by here. And he's gonna make some sugarcane juice for us, and let's have a taste and बताते हैं कैसा है, because of course we are here for the street food and exploring the streets of Guwahati. So the first stop is this. So yeah, I've got hands on the juice. Let me just taste it and बताता हूँ कैसे हुआ है. Damn, I love it.
A few moments later.
So yeah guys, right now we are just done with our juice. और juice भाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा था. And he did put some lemon और वो काला नमक बोलते हैं. He did put that and it was so refreshing. And अभी मेरा पेट जो है बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंडा ठंडा कूल हो चुका है. अभी और भी खाना है and और भी देखना है. So we are heading towards Fancy Bazaar. And then we are gonna see a lot of stuffs and वहाँ पर भी बहुत ही अच्छे street food मिलते हैं. So yeah, let's go there, check it out. And यहाँ पर अगर extra कुछ मिल जाए, I'm gonna show you everything. Anyways, अभी हम निकलते हैं फटाफट से. So we just had to drop off our plan to sit on the rickshaw over there. क्योंकि हमारे पास चेंज नहीं था, हम बड़े लोग हैं, हम बहुत पैसा है हमारे पास, पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है, इसीलिए रिक्शे वाले ने अभी हमें मना कर दिया. प्रॉब्लम विद मिलियन एंड लाइफ. समझ रहे हो ना. Our second stop is here in this place. He's making faluda for us, as you can see. And a lot of noise coming from the background because the train station is just near. Nonetheless, the faluda looks delicious. I have ordered myself kesar faluda and he has ordered himself butterscotch. So let's just wait. Got my faluda over here. Let me just have a taste and I'm gonna tell you how does it taste. Oh my god, it's filled, man. It's so full. Very good, man.
Even though I wanted to take you around and show you each and every street food possible, I couldn't. Because it was Sunday and I didn't know it, man. Come on, it hurts. But we couldn't give up because we don't do it here. And until and unless I find the delicious, heavenly made Assamese Thali, I'm not leaving. So yeah, here it is.
So yeah guys, quick update. Faluda was too good. I had it. पूरा खत्म कर लिया. It was sweet but so good. And right now since the market is closed, we just left it over there and अभी हम जा रहे हैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में जो कि सामने ही है. And we are gonna try out the traditional Assamese Thali. Let's see how it is. So yeah guys, we have ordered ourselves an Assamese Thali, दो Assamese Thali and some chicken curry. Let's hope for the best कि Assamese Thali अच्छा हो and सजा के दे वो लोग ताकि I could just show and it will be Instagram friendly too. For the people who have not followed me on Instagram, just go there and follow me. This is my Insta ID and yeah, let's get back to the food. So at last we have got our food over here. As you can see, you have got some pumpkin over here some dal, two types of dal actually. This is the yellow one and this is the kali dal, which we call it, and papad along with rice over here, and this is tomato chutney and smashed potatoes and fries. Yes, we have got all of it, and chicken is on the way, so let's just wait for the chicken. By the time, let's open it up. So chicken curry just came in over here, and of course extra ke liye they have given us this bangan bhaja, or English mein kya kehte hain, eggplant. Yeah, so eggplant and brinjal or whatever, but we have got it, so let's just have it and I'm gonna tell you how is it. So at last we are done with our thali, and ending mein hame mila ye kheer. So I'm just gonna have it quick because it's really less, so I can finish it, and I'm already full. That's good. Before eating, after eating. Alright people, we are just done with our lunch, and to be honest, judging the food, you know, the food is too good, man, too good. Like even the dal, the fries and everything, the chutney, jo bhi tha, it was totally worth the money. And Assamese people, you guys are actually eating diamond, not the actual diamond, but your food is like diamond, so salute. People, let's say bye bye to Fancy Market. Bye bye. Vlogger life. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. But आज के दिन हमने बहुत कुछ खाया और भी बहुत चीज़ें करनी थी, but we couldn't do it because of course the market was closed because it's Sunday. But we are gonna be coming back again. So I'm gonna put a pause in Assam series for now. So you guys suggest me where shall I go next. If you're from Assam, suggest me some good place to roam, to see the nature or anything like that, so I could come back again and do something crazier than this. Anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, share love, Jai Hind, see you in the next video, baby. See ya.
English, so please use subscribe. Subscribe in YouTube.